IP protocol has, in order to implement it, you will have an IP address. This is a number. So this number is employed or used to identify, let me add, uniquely identify a computer or a computing device in a network. He is, I don't have to give any introduction, everyone knows him all over the world, you know. So he has an address, okay. Now this address, when you want to meet him or you want to send some appreciation letter or love, what you will do? This is the address you are going to send. So you can take an analogy, how we can compare an IP address to a street address in the area. If you want to go to a particular person, meet him, you need street address. But if you want a particular computer, the data to be delivered, you need an IP address. So with this address, like this Tom Cruise address, one can deliver a letter, go to the location, meet him. This is what is done by the IP address. So every computer in a network has an address, same way Tom Cruise is having this address. Now here are two Tom Cruises. How are we going to identify which to send? The two computers, same face, same name, same address. Is it possible or not? We'll see just now. We'll talk about IPv4 and IPv6.